In this module, we are going to see GitHub actions for CI/CD. Okay, currently I'm in a GitHub docs website and I'm copying this link and I'll be attaching in this course module. Okay, currently I'm in a section called understanding GitHub actions. So we'll see about this. Okay, before we coming to this, we can go to GitHub website. I'm in a repo here. And if I come to action section, okay, after issues, pull requests, we can see action section, right? If I click on this, you can see there are various workflows here. Okay, these are called workflows. You can also create your own workflow and we'll see what exactly is this. Okay, so I'll come back to the docs here. What is CI/CD? It's a continuous integration and continuous delivery. Okay, it will test every time, it will deploy every time. Okay, if you want to automate your project, most of the time you are developing your project and you're creating a pull request and you're pushing to the code. You have to test your code, you have to deploy your code, you have to build your code, and you have to make this automated. Okay, you'll host your project somewhere else and you want to run deployment and testing every time you push your changes, and you have to do all of those things. Okay, so using GitHub actions you can do most of the things. Okay, there are many tools in the market like cloud services or Docker, and there are many more DevOps specific tools. Okay, there are many more DevOps specific tools where you can do all those things, but don't worry about that. We are just checking it, we are just overviewing the concept. Okay, so I'm in this section right now, GitHub components, GitHub actions. Okay, so we can see there's a term called workflows. What is a workflow? When you are adding something here, okay, you can see many options here, right? Deployment, and we have many workflows here, securities, and we have many things here. These are the workflows. Okay, so inside workflows there's a file called YAML. Okay, just like txt or .html, there is a file called YAML. There you can write your YAML script. Okay, so basically what we will do there, if some action triggered, we have to do that job or we have to do this job. Okay, for example, if you want to test a case, you have run the code, you want to see the bugs or you want to see the errors, you want to see is the code is all right or not, you just want to see all those things. Okay, how you can see, you can use it through workflows. Okay, you can use a workflows for that. And events, we have talked about this by specific activity of a repository that triggers if something happens, and the jobs will run, the YAML file will run. Okay, so and action, the same thing which we showed, and we don't have much here to show as for now, but this is the YAML file, the name, the event, and the jobs here. Okay, the jobs, what does it do, what will it do? Okay, you can see installs g bats, and we can list out the bats here and all of those things it does. Okay, you can read it here. If you go through this website, you can get all those information here. Okay, so it mentioned all those things here. So let's come back to a GitHub website here. Okay, so these are the pre-created, already existed workflows. If you want, you can also create yours, a customized workflow, but here you can see, okay, you can read a description here. What does it do? You can see customized workflows here. You can read the description, what does it do. Okay, so if I come back, okay, so if I come down, you can see a deployment specific workflows. Okay, it helps with deployments. You can see deploy to IBM cloud, Kubernetes service. If you come down, you can see the security specific workflows. Okay, it helps with security. Okay, it will check the cases of your code and it will help with the security. And if you come down, it will helps us with the continuous integration. Okay, if I come down, it will helps us in the automation. It will automate our all those things. For example, you can look here, greetings. If someone contribute to our code for the first time, it will greet. So it's a automated workflow. Okay, you can come down 2 pages, and there are many more things you can do here. You can create your own workflows as well.